All right, so this video is for you. Let's put it to the chat group here for your use so you get a chance to see what I'm talking about for gold here. So I'm gonna run down. I know you said you want to swing. Uh, it's pretty tough at this point. I'm just gonna highlight. This is the daily chart for gold, so I'm gonna zoom in here. I'm zooming in. You can check out the analysis yourself. As always, I'm gonna highlight this point and this structure here. So highest price is 2,686. For swinging, if you were swinging at the bottom here, you'd be okay. But at the top, it's been, I mean, you can see this is the new high. You drop down, and then now it's doing the same exact thing. It could, like I said, personally, you could swing all you want. I always recommend you to take a step back and take a look further into scalping. That way you don't get caught up, and that way you don't get that way you're not actually holding a position for gold that's really at its high price. And so, I mean, some people are speculating that gold might hit 3,000. I mean, I don't really see gold hitting 3,000 to be honest. And so, yes, it's at all-time high. Eventually, it's gonna come back down, right? So, me personally, I believe that gold is overbought at this point. Let me erase this stuff. Come on, dude. So that's just my personal opinion and my personal analysis here, so you can understand. So I'm gonna drop down, right? So I'm gonna drop down the time frame. So what the heck is going on here? Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna drop down to the 4 hour. All right, so let's zoom a little bit back out here. Notice that I haven't changed the horizontal lines, right? I've highlighted the 2600 price here at 2608, and then also the price at 2686, which is the highest price, right? So um on the 4 hour chart, you can see the zone structure. So this is our zone structure. Okay. Between from 2608 and 2686, we're talking about, almost an $80, $80 price gap, right? $80 price difference here from the 2608 to the 2686. Now I'm gonna hop back down on the 1 hour so you get a chance to see. I'm just working the time frames down. Okay, so now we're on the 1 hour. Okay, here we go. So if we were just to speculate what has happened so far since Sunday and all the way till today, which is Wednesday, and we can highlight, I don't know if I want to count 14. I guess we can count this from this to this day, right? I know it's a new day over there. So from here, and this was Sunday. If you were to swing from Sunday to Wednesday, you'd be fine. You would take profit. And you always gotta be mindful that there are gonna be days. There are gonna be days, especially whether it be usually I look at Fridays as a retracement day. But like I said, Monday was a bank holiday, so gotta factor that in. Monday was a bank holiday, not a whole lot was going on. So then I don't count Monday. And then Wednesday, gold end up retracing down, but the the next day would be Thursday. So you have to be mindful where this is all going. Oh, come on, dude. Come on, man. All right. So there's nothing wrong with swinging, but also at the same time, when you work the time frame, and I know we're looking at the weekly swing signal, right? So let's just say If you're on the weekly swing set though, and you were at the very bottom here, and you held it all the way till, and you held it all the way till 26.86. I mean, you're golden. You're good. But that's not the case if we were to work our way back down, right? So daily chart, yeah, gold's still trying to hold its weight here. But at this point, I would be looking to sell it back down, short our position, and looking for it to retrace back down, maybe back to like 26.60, maybe 26.50 at the lowest that I go. And judging from the 4 hour, okay, so this was a retracement candle in the first 4 hours of New York sessions. And then now we're into the second 4 hour candle, which is going to finish off New York sessions, right? So it could come back and retest the 26.80 price. And then me personally, I would just do a sell position from there. And I would scalp it back down for the retracement. That's what I would do. So you don't have to follow my opinion on here. I'm just giving you my thoughts and my analysis where gold is going and for the future. And it's been at an all-time high. So that's why if we were, let's go on a monthly. Yeah, let's go on a monthly. It's been an all-time high, right? It's been high, and like it looks like there's no stopping this at all. Always be mindful, you know, if you were swinging at the bottom, you're great. But if you're not swinging at the very bottom where it was peaking at the lowest and I was peaking at the highest, like you have to be very careful where gold's gonna go. And it could immediately drop itself back down. So that's why I always recommend for you to come down on your analysis. And the daily chart might seem really good because it's bullish, right? Because I'm on the daily chart right now. It looks really good. It's bullish. You're thinking that hey, maybe it's still trying to make a way back to break this, and then maybe all the way up to 2,700. So, but if you were to work your time frames down and you zone your structure, correct? Like what I'm doing. You know what? We can narrow this down too. I would narrow it like right here. From 26.59 to 26.86 at the high and to what has happened for this month of October. So, right, for this past week. So, you know, just take a look at this. Feel free to ask me questions in the Telegram chat group and get back to me on your thoughts and your approach to this. And I hope this makes sense. If it doesn't make sense, like I said, you guys are always welcome to feel free to reach me out anytime. All right. All right, that. Peace out, guys.